Why do 70% of GRE takers struggle with vocabulary? Let's open the secret. Welcome to the world of GRE Vocabulary. Today, we're diving into the word dissent. Think of dissent as a fancy way to say, I disagree. But it's more than just a word, it's a power move. Imagine this. In a group project, everyone's nodding like bobbleheads, but you see a flaw. You dissent. Now, you're not just disagreeing, you're offering a fresh perspective. That's the magic of dissent. Example 1. During a debate, she voiced her dissent, sparking a lively discussion. Example 2. In science, dissenting opinions can lead to breakthroughs. Think Russell Moon. Example 3. At work, his dissent with the company's strategy led to an innovative solution. Knowing words like dissent isn't just for the GRE. It's about standing out and making an impact. So embrace your inner dissenter. Remember, the GRE isn't just a test, it's a toolkit for your future. Stay sharp, stay curious, and harness the courage to dissent.